All right, y'all. Here is some cool ass door casing you don't see every day. No, sir. It's flexible trim. Let's check it out. Well, as you can see, I've got hardy siding. I've got a 1x4 trim. And there's no way that you're going to wrap a 1x4 fiber cement board around this circle top door. Nope. So that's why I've got the flexible 1x4 casing. Yes, this stuff is awesome. You got to let it sit out in the sun, warm up a little bit, get it nice and a little more pliable. So as you see, I'm marking a level point where the sides of my door jamb meet the starting of the circumference of the circle. It's easier to go ahead and cut it on the wall. It's too flimsy to try to get the reveal right and cut it on a chop saw. So once you get it cut, just grab the pin nailer and finish fastening it. But right here, as you can see, my door has a reveal already on it. It's a 2-piece jamb. So I'll just follow this reveal all the way down and it'll butt the side of the door seal. I should have used the circular saw to cut the trim on the first door. I mean, the multi-tool did fine, but the circular saw was a lot smoother. Let's give it a little test fit, see how we did. Heck yeah, man. Got it, coach. That's what I'm talking about. This is going to look nice when we put some paint on there. As you see here, I had to do some notching on the back side of this casing. Not everybody's going to be in this situation. Like I have here, I have a dimple board, which is a 1/4 inch thick. It protrudes from the framing. So I needed to notch that casing so my trim will fit nice and tight up against the zip wall. Hey, be sure to grab some paint. Paint all of those ends and cuts. Seal it up. And a finish nail does the trick. Holds that stuff on nice and tight. There's one door complete. And there's number 2. That's it, man. If you ever find yourself in this situation, be sure to get you some flex trim. It works wonderful. So our next step will be to finish the siding. Thanks for watching.